this is another tip from Sean the Drone. Now, on your controller, guys, this little button here is pretty important. Now, it's got your home, will return the home point on there. But if you notice the two little red lines, that's a pause button. And I never see many videos explain that. It's pretty important when you're doing stuff on your drone. I know it's got obstacle avoidance and it will stop. But sometimes you might have to stop it suddenly. Like here at the moment, we got like a track coming down there. Maybe a cyclist is bombing down there and you suddenly realise it and you want to stop it quickly. And if you press that little button there, press it, the drone will stop. And as soon as you release it, it can carry on. So tonight we're going to do, as you can see, I'm out in the evening. Sorry about all the noise. That's called cicadas. So they make such a racket. They can go on all day and night, these little, it's a little bug. Anyway, so I'm going to teach you about this pause button because I think it's important to know. I don't think a lot of people know it now. Obviously, on some of the older controllers, I'm not talking about the screen controllers. I'm talking about the other controllers that you fuel Mini 2 and that. They might not have that little red button, so don't worry about that so much. But if it's got the little red button, then see what it does. So the scenario is we're going to get the drone up, and I'm going to stand over there, and I'm just going to show you the drone coming. Not towards me, but coming, and I'll be pressing that button. So, should we get the drone ready? So let's get this scenario. There's a cyclist bombing down this hill. I'm not paying attention, which you should be, but don't forget I'm not actually here, I'm over there somewhere, but I'm trying to get you in the camera shot. And the drone, I'm trying to capture that waterfall there. Let's get the, there it is. So I'm trying to capture that. Let's get that over there away a bit more. Okay. So the drone's going along, and then you just press that stop button or pause button once. You don't keep your finger on it. You just press it, and it stops. And now you could carry on what you're doing. I'll do it again. I don't want to. If you keep your finger on that button, guys, it will return to home, but you can cancel it. A little cross will come up. I'll just do it again. So we're just going along. Imagine I'm not here, and I'll just press the button. That it is quick as that. I'm going to show you if, for instance, I keep my finger on that button too long. So it's going along, and then it's saying go home. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel that. You saw the little red cross there, you can cancel that. Because this screen is so sensitive, guys. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to try one of the quick shots and see if we can cancel it during that as well. I haven't seen any videos on that, to be honest. So let's get the drone set up. Okay. Nice picture there of the waterfall. So we go into quick shots. We just scroll down. Let's have a look what we could do. Let's try a circle. Okay, it's going to ask me who it's going to zoom on. Let's bring it up a little bit. Let's get a little bit of height. I'm going to bring it in a little bit more as well, because I don't want the circle to be too big. Bring it down a little bit. Okay, we press the 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's moving now, and I want to stop it, and it's cancelled it. We do that again. I'll just bring it up a little bit more. And what I'll do, I'll let it get into its
3, 2, 1.
So it's doing its circle. I suddenly realised, because don't forget it's turned off its avoidance on it. I suddenly realised there's a big tree there. Let's bring that drone round so you can actually see the drone stopping. And it stopped just like that. Like I said, if you keep your finger on that button, it will go into return to home mode. But if you press a little red cross on the left hand side, it will cancel that. Because like I said, this screen is so sensitive. So hopefully you learnt something else. So I hope you found that interesting. This is another little tip to be aware of, especially on that screen. I don't see many videos on the pause button really. I have seen a few, but not many. And I don't think a lot of people realise what that pause button is for really. So, hope you found that useful. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. Don't forget the thumbs up, most appreciate that. And yeah, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe even. And I'll catch you on another tip. I'm Sean the Drone.